Well, hi everybody, and welcome to another edition of Dave's Diner. Tonight we're going to be doing a dish called Drunkin Marsala chicken. And it's just what it says there, Marsala wine and some chicken and a lot of mushrooms and a few other seasonings and stuff. So grab a front row seat with me, and thanks for joining me at Dave's Diner, and we'll show you how that looks. Okay, so first thing you want to do is start your mushrooms in a saute pan. A couple of these little boxes of mushrooms is okay to use. And you're going to want to start cooking those down. It'll take a few minutes. They will reduce in size, so don't be afraid of the amount of mushrooms we got here. They will cook down. Okay, now you can see how they've reduced some and got that nice color on them. Now you want to add some garlic and onion to the dish. Just like that. Let that cook down in there. Let all those flavors get married in there. Oh gosh, I wish you guys could smell it in here. This is really crazy. Mushrooms and onions and garlic. Now what you want to do is take some chicken and dredge it in a little bit of flour. These are chicken breasts. And little seasoned flour with salt, pepper, garlic. That's all you need. And start sauteing your chicken. Don't need a whole lot of flour on these, just a little dusting. Just like that. While the chicken's getting good and brown in the other pan, you want to start your sauce, your Marsala sauce. So go back to your mushrooms and add a little flour. Like that. Turn that around. This is going to help thicken the sauce. Got a good stir like that. Then you're going to want to add the Marsala wine. Deglaze that pan, turn it up a little bit. And you want to bring that up to a boil. So that sauce will thicken. You can already see it starting to come together. Now that's been cooking for a while, you want to add a little cream to this and let that cook in. So now, you want to add your mixture right over the top of the chicken. Just like that. stuff around in there like that. I'm going to bring this up to a little bit of higher heat. You want to add in some parsley. And a few cherry tomatoes in there. Then you're going to cover it up and let it simmer. Okay, folks, this has been cooking for about 45 minutes, just like that. And now you can see what it looks like. All them beautiful mushrooms and those tomatoes in there, and that chicken is just going to be fork tender when you take it out and dish it up. But anyway, that's what it looks like, and we hope you enjoyed watching this episode. I certainly had fun doing it, and I hope you come back next time. Well, there you have it, folks. Another addition to Dave's Diner, Drunkin Chicken Marsala. And I had fun cooking it, and I hope you had fun watching it. And join me next time on Dave's Diner. Thanks again. We'll see you.